Hello everyone, today I'm taking you to visit TikTok headquarters in London. I'm joining a Valentine's campaign here featuring some big beauty brands such as Nivea, The Ordinary, Nature's Spell and L'Oréal Paris. Around 70 content creators will be joining me. Some of them are big content creators with tons of followers making big money through TikTok Shop. The event planner recommended that we bring a suitcase to carry samples, so here we go, a suitcase it is. This is the building where TikTok's London headquarters is located, Kaleidoscope. I have seen a few videos of people sharing the inside of the building, but oh my god, now I'm actually experiencing it myself. It's so pretty and it feels very TikTok, you know what I mean? I need to check in and get a name badge, and then I discovered this little gem where I can check my account on a giant screen. Oh, look at me on this massive screen. To be honest with you, I'm really proud of myself for being invited to TikTok headquarters, and a year ago I would never thought that someday I would be here. Now onto the main event. John, the organizer, gave the shortest speech ever so that we content creators could jump straight into networking with brands, collecting samples and making videos.
And we have a lot of amazing brands here. As you can see, we got Ordinary just launched on our platform. Yes. And let's see how what we can do for our brand. The first is this part. We have a very short presentation. I'm gonna finish very soon and shut up so you can start to talk our amazing brand. So
I absolutely love the atmosphere. It feels like I have found my tribe, where no one is shy about filming, recording, talking or dancing with their phone. No cringe, just creativity. I love it. Look at these bags full of free samples. They are coming home with me. I also talked to some TikTokers and I found out that some of them even flew in from Scotland just to attend this event. Once the event started, it got super busy, so I couldn't show you everything, plus I didn't want to interrupt others. So here's a typical conversation I had with every brand.
And watermelon and the original. Once the peach has gone back to
love that one.
Oh.
The peach
But yeah, it's amazing.
So do you have any gift or combo for the Valentine's then?
Yes, so we've got our lash and lips combination.
Ah, that's
Is when
nice.
you're going to
That's
get
nice.
one of these lip oils and then our lash serum as well.
Oh, lovely. So I'm in the TikTok London headquarters now, and it's a Valentine's event with a lot of brands behind me and the creators. They are doing a lot of talking about product or discount for the Valentine's campaigns. I hope you can hear me. Pretty noisy in here.
Okay, I guess you might be getting bored with the event, so here's a look at some scenes inside the venue. Security is quite strict, so I couldn't wander around too much to film more. If you're still watching, I just want to share that I'm making more videos with tips and tricks on how to make money on TikTok Shop. So if you're interested, click subscribe to stay updated with my latest videos. After collecting all the samples, it's time to head home with this super heavy suitcase. Look, I couldn't even fit everything inside. Thanks for watching everyone and see you in the next video. Bye!